this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun, and so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun, the near and the dear ones, the old and the young.